Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change name on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and instead of any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you would like to do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on your profile icon that will be on top left corner below the home icon, and this will simply access your profile. But we don't need it. We're gonna go back, tap on our profile icon on top right corner and tap on the settings icon, and this will access the settings and privacy of ours, including this option called Meta Account Center. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you're gonna go ahead, tap on this option called Profiles Given on top, and go ahead and tap on this option called which you would like to change your name, and now tap on this name over here, and you're gonna go ahead, first name, you're gonna go ahead, edit this according to your need. Once you are done for that, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this preview change, and once you have previewed, you can save it, and that will be it. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.